Shri, and I know it's been a long time that I have made a video. So yeah, I got a 2-day break and therefore I'm back again. Okay, so directly moving on to the purpose of the video. So my LinkedIn and Instagram DMs are filled with only 3 questions. Like, I mean, there's 80% of the questions are these 3 only in some or the other form. The first one being, how did you prepare for your cat? And I mean, being from a different background. The second thing is, which coaching did you take? And the third being, tips to crack cat. These are the only 3 questions that I have been getting. Another thing is, whatever, I have not taken any coaching names till now in any of my videos. It is not sponsored, nothing is sponsored in this video. Also, people who are new to my channel can just skip the next 1 minute, because I don't want to waste your time, because the next 1 minute I want to talk to people who have actually subscribed to my channel recently after seeing all the MBA videos and everything. So guys, I just want to make it clear that whatever MBA things I share is just a form of sharing my experience, because जब मुझे MBA करना था और मेरा फील्ड अलग था, कैट क्या होता है, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, स्पेशली बहुत सारे रिसर्च, बहुत सारे यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखे और उसी को देख के मुझे समझ आया कि ओके ऐसे करते हैं बट स्टिल मुझे थोड़ा गैप लगा फ्रॉम वेयर आई कुड लर्न थिंग्स इन अ सिंपल वे कि कैसे करना है, उन्होंने कैसे किया है, राइट. सो दिस वॉज माई ओनली reason of starting this content, though I love content creation and I also earn money from it, but some money from it, not too much. But that is not from this industry, like from MBAs, like coaching, or from the education industry in general. So whatever videos I have made till now is just a pure form of sharing my experience with you all. Also, my vision for this YouTube channel is not to just become an MBA channel and IM के बारे में बताओ, CAT के बारे में बताओ. That is not my vision for my channel. So I have created my YouTube channel just with one thing, that I love to share what's happening in my life sometimes. So lately I have noticed that it has become all about MBA, because अभी मेरी लाइफ में MBA ही चल रहा है, कुछ और चल ही नहीं रहा है. I want my channel to be a channel about me, not just about my MBA degree. So you might see other content also on my channel. So it's a humble request for my subscribers, people who are following me. If you feel like the content has become irrelevant for you, you can unsubscribe. But if you still feel that okay, you are okay with the content, whatever content I'm posting, and if it's worth to you, then I would request you not to unsubscribe. Yeah, so yeah, this was what I wanted to talk. I'll keep on posting MBA related stuff also. I wanted to clarify that you people don't get disappointed if you see some other content on my channel, right? So yeah, this is what I wanted to convey, and I think I took more than a minute or so. I'm sorry. Yeah, so yeah, let's move on to the content. So first things first, how did I prepare for my CAT and how did I thought of MBA and everything? I was doing bachelor's of pharmacy and I was in my 3rd year, and I initially took pharmacy because I was a little bit inclined towards research. I wanted to do PhD and everything, but 2 years 3 years down the line I was like nahi ho payega. Matlab, when I actually saw kind of work it is, mostly what kind of work it is, I realized I am not meant for it. Then what I realized is I am more interested in seeing how these industries actually work, the pharmacy market, how does the pharma industry actually work. Then I realized I am more inclined towards the business of pharmacy rather than the chemicals of pharmacy. And I realized I have this inclination towards management thing, so I decided I have to do MBA. Now again I had 2 options, pharma MBA or a normal MBA. I realized pharma MBA would again be a very niche specialization. If कल को मेरा मन करा कि भाई pharma industry के बाहर भी जाना है, then that would not be possible because my specialization will only be in pharma, and since I'll already be having a pharma degree, so अगर मैं normal MBA करके भी pharma industry में जाना चाहूँ, I have that scope. So like I did not want to confine myself to just the pharma industry and wanted to learn like a broader scope of things from not being specialized in just one industry. So therefore I was very clear in my mind, I don't want to do a pharma MBA, I want to go for a general management course, right? Then I went on searching कि क्या होता है कैसे होता है. I realized there are mainly 4 exams in India. First being CAT, second ZAT, third SNAP, and fourth NMAT, right? So these 4 exams are there. Most of the colleges accept CAT, and ZAT is for XLRI, Jamshedpur, Delhi. The colleges also accept CAT, ZAT both, right? Then I understood that NMAT is for Narsi Monji colleges, all of them. They are also a good option if you want to do an MBA. And then SNAP is for Symbiosis, right? So this is the basic info which I got. Then I thought whether I really want to prepare. I saw the CAT paper and I realized, oh shit, VARC I can handle, but the rest too I have no connection with, right? Because कोई भी अभी तक जो भी मैंने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम दिया था उसमें ऐसे मैथ्स से कोई लेना देना था नहीं मेरा. 10th तक आई वॉज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ मैथ्स एंड ऑल्सो आई डिड नॉट हेट मैथ्स, बट द प्रॉब्लम वॉज after 10th I had no encounter with maths, and after 4-5 years if somebody asked me to solve it in a minute, so that was a problem for me, right? And I did not know differentiation, integration much. जितना physics के लिए was required, I took PCB in 11-12, so जितना physics में integration और differentiation कराया जाता था उतना I knew, not more than that. Then I started searching for YouTube playlist, arithmetic, algebra, ये वो. 1 month into it and I realized I cannot do like this, because next I started in September, October, right? I had to give my exam in 4th year, November. I understood after 1 month कि इस स्पीड से अगर मैं पढ़ूंगी अलग अलग रिसोर्सेज से, following this playlist, तो then I realized I'm not that type of a child which can do things like this. because मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा था, सेम क्वेश्चन को कोई एक टीचर अलग तरीके से सॉल्व कराता है, दूसरा टीचर दूसरे तरीके से सॉल्व कराता है, एंड देयर आर सम पीपल हु लाइक लर्निंग ऑल द वेज. आई एम नॉट वन ऑफ दोज. मुझे एक तरीका बता दो एंड आई विल मास्टर माई सेल्फ इन दैट. रियलाइज्ड ऐसे नहीं होगा. आई नीड प्रॉपर गाइडेंस, आई नीड अ स्ट्रक्चर. सो एंड मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था, मुझे सिलेबस भी बहुत क्लियर नहीं था. आई जस्ट न्यू कि ये 3 सेक्शंस है और उसके अंदर सब पार्ट्स है, राइट? आई डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ कोचिंग. After searching for a week, and then I did not do it alone. I asked my sister, my cousin, who have like done MBA and everything. I got to know that this coaching market is very flooded. Every other year you see a new coaching popping up and everybody is taking their course, and then there are 2-3 giants who have their name in this industry, right? बट मैंने बहुत इवेल्यूएट किया एंड आई टुक देयर ट्रायल कोर्सेज. हर कोचिंग के यू गेट ट्रायल कोर्सेज देयर. 1 वीक आप यूज़ कंटेंट देखो, स्ट्रक्चर देखो, इफ़ यू लाइक यू परचेज. I made a bet on this coaching and that was one of my best decisions. So I took coaching from 2IIM. I don't remember the name of the course, but I took the course in which everything was included. They sent me the materials to my home, some hard copy, and everything else was in soft copy. There were regular classes and people were divided into batch. तो अगर आप अपने बैच की कोई क्लास मिस कर गए हो तो you can attend it in the next batch. और मान लो if एक कोई क्लास है आपको नहीं समझ आई, you can attend the class n number of time. जितनी बार वो क्लास हो रही है in the further batches you can attend it. So that was the part which I liked the best. मतलब अगर क्योंकि मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स भी होते थे फार्मेसी के, राइट? सो मेरी क्लासेस हैं इधर भी क्लास हो रही है. सो इफ़ any day I am not available, I can repeat that class in future. Also the content which is going to be taught in the class was given to you on the day you sign up. Once you sign up with them, they will give you the entire content. So ऐसा नहीं है आपको कंटेंट नहीं मिल रहा, आपको जो चैप्टर पहले करना आप कर सकते हो, राइट? सो उससे जब मैंने उनके संग साइन अप करा ना, मुझे ये आइडिया तो पता चल गया कि क्या क्या आने वाला है स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में, रैदर देन अपना टाइम इधर उधर ढूंढने में कि क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. सब कुछ एक जगह मिल गया. और वो उस कोचिंग के लिए नहीं है. कोई भी कोचिंग इफ़ यू टेक, आपको सब कुछ एक जगह तो मिल जाएगा. क्वालिटी कोचिंग्स में यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग एट वन प्लेस. सो दैट provides a structure, and believe me guys, there are coaching starting from 10,000 rupees also, and it goes up to like as high as 70,000-80,000 nowadays. So it's up to you what is your budget and what are you actually looking for. For me, what I was looking at was a structure, so I got the structure, and the classes were also very good. The teachers there, excellent teachers. You can ask questions. If you don't understand, just type in, and they make sure that you learn everything. And there was also a community where you can post your questions. Any other, your peers would help you, right? If not, the teacher would himself answer that. So I mean, I loved my experience, was very good with them. But that was not the only coaching I took. I also invested in some test series and some GDPI preparation with some other coaching institutes as well. I mean, there in their course it was included, but I did not want to restrict myself to only one kind of question papers and only one type of GDPI questions. So I took help from other coachings also. So I took, I mean, one course for GDPI and one or two test series from other coaching institutes as well. So this was my approach. I followed them and I made sure my entire syllabus was completed by May. So in 6 months around, I completed my entire syllabus. Then in July onwards, I started my revision, and from mid-August, I started giving the mocks. Also guys, while giving the mock, if you think that you can get around 95 percentile in CAT, वो एक आइडिया लग जाता है मॉक देते देते, प्लीज़ 3-4 कॉलेजेस है, इनका फॉर्म भर देना, बिकॉज ये कैट के पहले बंद हो जाते हैं ये फॉर्म्स, या इवन एग्ज़ाम के भी पहले, रिजल्ट के पहले तो होते ही हैं, मोस्टली एग्ज़ाम्स के भी पहले बंद हो जाते हैं. सो प्लीज़ फिल लाइक कॉलेजेस लाइक MDI, IFT, SP Jain, FMS, ये सारे फॉर्म्स एग्ज़ाम, मतलब ये सारे फॉर्म्स कैट के रिजल्ट के पहले तो डेफिनेटली हो जाते हैं. सम ऑफ देम इवन गेट क्लोज्ड बिफोर द कैट एग्ज़ाम. डोंट वांट टू बी मिसिंग आउट ऑन दीज फॉर्म्स. मतलब ये फॉर्म्स नहीं भर के बाद में कट ऑफ क्लियर करके बहुत रिग्रेट होता है. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड, एज सुन एज तुम्हारा कैट एग्ज़ाम हो जाए, कैट जैट जो भी दे रहे हो जाए, उसके बाद प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि तुम GDPI में लग जाओ. बिकॉज वॉट आई थिंक इज़, जितना मैंने 1 साल में नहीं सीखा होगा कैट का पढ़ के, उससे ज़्यादा मैंने उस 3 months में, आई हैव लर्न 3-4 months में how to actually prepare for an interview, because I was a fresher. I had given a few interviews for internships and everything in the past, but not of this level, right? So if you're a fresher, you really need to brush up on some skills. I mean, communication skills, then what's happening around. MBA में हो, business में जा रहे हो, तो थोड़ा figures, numbers, like हमारा जो भी background है. For example, mine was pharma, so they often ask me about pharma industries numbers, कि कौन market leader है, क्या उसका market cap है, and so forth. And the biggest regret you will have is if you cannot convert a college after getting a shortlist. Trust me, anybody can have. And I gave interview for a lot of colleges. There was this one college I could not convert, and it was my fault, I agree, because I did not know how to prepare for that. And that was my first interview. That interview was in the start of Feb, like Jan end or Feb starting. That was way too early for me. And the mistake which I did was, they asked me what majors do you want to take when you get into it, and I did not know. I thought whatever I write here would be the final majors of mine, so I wrote finance and marketing. So I wrote finance there. I did not know that whatever I am going to write, they'll ask questions on that only, and afterwards when I get into the college, if I don't understand, I can change. I did not know that. I wrote finance there, and my entire first round went on finance. I knew very little of finance, what are the 3 statements and the basic difference. This was also because I prepared for it, otherwise वो भी नहीं आता, because कोई background ही नहीं है ना. सो आई स्टडीड अ लॉट ऑफ फाइनेंस, थोड़ा सब कुछ पढ़ के गई थी, बट वो बहुत बेसिक था. वॉट दे आस्क्ड मी, आई डिड नॉट नो इवन द नेम, ये होता क्या है मुझे वो भी नहीं पता था. सो दैट वॉज माई बिगेस्ट फॉल्ट विच आई डिड विद दैट फॉर्म. एंड वो फॉर्म मैंने भरा था अक्टूबर में, तो उस समय तो मुझे और आइडिया नहीं, बिकॉज हर दिन आप वीडियोस देखते हो, लोगों से बात करते हो, तो आपको पता चलता है इसमें ये करना है, इसमें ये नहीं करना है. दैट वॉज माई फॉल्ट. but that was also one of the reasons I wanted to make this YouTube video thing, because I have done a lot of mistake, and that was my biggest mistake, and I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes which I made video. So this was my basic journey, like how I started and how I followed on. And yeah, I mean, for GDPI, if you think you need a coaching, you should take, because if you give mock GDs, mock PIs, you will be better prepared for the actual interview. फर्स्ट सेकेंड, जब तुम मॉक जीडी या पीआई वाला कोर्स लेते हो, वहाँ पे और भी लोग होते हैं, सो यू व्हेन यू हियर अदर पीपल स्पीकिंग, देन ऑल्सो यू लर्न समथिंग, राइट, अबाउट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग in general. You know what are the GD topics, so you get blank in between the GD or interviews, because you already have that mental muscle developed. This was everything, the basic journey and strategy which I followed. For quants specifically, I have made another video wherein I talked what I did specific for quants, because initially my quants was not improving just because of time. I did not get time to solve, और फिर नहीं हो रहा था, मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आ रहे थे, but towards the end I scored very good. From my point of view, it is a very good score for me. So I scored good marks in quants in terms of percentile in CAT. So I gave up, I like made a video on that. You can check that out. Rest, be assured, videos on MBA would keep coming, but yeah, I might post other content as well, right? So yeah, that was my only request from my subscribers or people who have started following or subscribing me recently, that this channel is not just about MBA. This is more than that. This is more like about my life and what are my experiences. So on MBA, in terms of MBA, if you want me to make a video on some other topic, though I have a topic in mind, so please let me know. Otherwise, please let me know, right? So yeah, this was all. Stay safe, be happy and healthy, stay safe, crack CAT, and be prepared for your GDPI. And if you have any questions and you think that I could be of any help, feel free to reach me out on LinkedIn, Instagram, or even in the comment section. Works, right? Bye bye, take care, stay safe and happy and healthy. All the best for your CAT.